Hello everybody. Now I am conducting class 1 EVS class. Again I am repeating, I am conducting now class 1 EVS class. Last day we have started chapter 5 our food. Okay, 2 pages we have done, page number 29 and 30. Today we will start from page number 30. Again I am repeating, I am conducting now class 1 EVS class, chapter number 5 our food. Already we have done 2 pages, page number 29 and page number 30. Today we will start from page number 31. So just I want to revise what we have learned about our food. Yes, I know you all have learned, still I want to revise once. That food, how many meals we generally take? 3 times meals. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay, these 3 major meal we always consider. Breakfast should be very healthy, meal should be very heavy, but definitely dinner should be soft food. Okay, it will good for you to digest. So we always prefer these 3 kinds of food. Generally few food we cook, these are known as special foods, like in special occasions, like siwai in Eid, mithai, different kinds of mithai in during Durga Puja, different kind of like sweet dishes during that Posh Parban. We Bengali people, we celebrate the Posh Parban with pithe, paish and all these kinds of sweet dishes. That is also very delicious, using coconuts, using flour. We generally prepare these. These are the flour special food. Okay, few food we use as raw food, few food we eat like cooked food. Few food is there, those who we can take like raw and cook both, like that, like onion we can use for cooking, take, we can use this raw also we can take. Then tomato, these kinds of carrot, many kinds of vegetables are there, which vegetables we generally use like raw, and we also eat them as a cooked food. So today we will start food for different ages. Yes, very important thing, like what today you will eat, will you prefer it for a 10 months baby? No, because the newborn baby, they are very delicious, their digestive system is very much sensible and very much delicate, so they only take milk. Okay, after 6 months they take the water. Even after 1 year they will start to eat soft food, very soft rice, or if they will eat the roti, this should be very soft, dipped into water, then they will eat. So different ages, different food. Definitely same thing revise at the end of your of our age, like when we will be like 70 years, above 70, above 80, above 80 90 years, almost near about 95 97, those who old age persons, they also eat very soft delicious food, because at the beginning of your age you don't have teeth to chew the food. At the end of our age we also lose our teeth, even the ability of digestive system. That time we also prefer to eat soft food which easily we can digest. So now repeat after me. Do you eat the same food now as you did when you were a baby? We eat different kinds of food at different ages. A baby drinks milk and eats soft foods because it has no teeth. Yes, we eat food like milk, eggs, grains, fruits, vegetable, meat as we grow. So beginning of our age we definitely don't eat chicken, definitely no meat, no fish, because that time we don't have teeth, very delicious, we can only take the milk. Later changes of our body, change many organs, then try to develop, start to develop, we try to adopt the things, that time we start to eat food like this. Okay, then we can take the various kinds of food like roti, sabji, rice, vegetables, meat, everything. But beginning only milk. We eat special food when we are sick to get better again. When people grow old, they start losing their teeth. They eat softer foods. As I told you, yes, when we lose our teeth again, we have to take the softer food because it will help us to digest our food. Okay. So now come to the purple color box, values and life skills. We should not throw or waste food. Definitely don't do, because so many people are there. Those who don't have, those who don't able to take the food 2 times meals, they don't get. So don't throw your food. We should eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. We should not eat fruits which have been cut and left uncovered for a long time. Uncovered food don't eat at any cost. They can make us fall ill. Yes, it is very unhealthy. What should you do if your friend offers you food that you do not want to eat? This question you will write and give me the answer. I want to see the answer. What should you do if your friend suggests, or if your friend offers you any kind of food that you don't need to, that you don't ever eat? Then what should you do? I'm according about me, what will I do if one of my friend offers me a food that I don't eat? What should I do? I can know. I can write the answer. I know the answer. So what should you do? You note it down and show it to me. Points to remember. We need food and water to live. Most of us eat 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, dinner. Our food comes from both plants and animals. Yes, as I told you, plants like from the vegetables, fruits, we are getting plants, and all like meat, eggs, fish, that comes from animals, gives us meat. Animals gives us um, also milk. Milky product is the byproduct of these animals, because from cow we are getting milk, and from that is processed like paneer, cheese, butter, ghee, all these kinds of food. And various kinds of species like fish provides us huge amounts of protein, because we also like need to take fish for fulfill the demand of our protein. We should eat fresh and well cooked food. Babies and old people eat soft food. Sick people eat special food to get better. Okay, so our food comes from both animals, from plants, fruits, vegetable, grain, from animal, milk, eggs and meat. Now come to the next page, page number 32. Words to learn. There are many words. You will learn it carefully. Every meaning: energy, meals, breakfast, lunch, afternoon, dinner, milk product, and the last one is stale. Which is stale food? Food that is no longer fresh and healthy to eat. Okay, so you will learn up to this. Next class I will provide you the question answers. Send me the copy completing up to chapter 4, because few children only are sending copies. I would like to ask everybody, send your copy through dpsjhelpdesk@gmail.com. Address me like dear mom and send it to me. If you will not give me any kind of address or not mentioning the subject, you will not get any kind of reply. So address like dear mom and then send the copy. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye bye. Be healthy and learn this topic very carefully. Wait for the next class.